Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, then click all. Thanks! Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do a soak off gel overlay on natural nails, and this is the product I'm using. I believe it's called CoKEKOU. I'm not sure, but I did try to pronounce that. This set here is from Aliexpress. I bought it last fall. I paid $12.54 free shipping. It is currently $14.25. Now, you know, it's hard to get anything from Aliexpress currently. It's taken like 3 months. But anyways, I saw this system when I was just searching around, looking at stuff. It has 39 reviews and 5 stars. And so that tells me that a lot of people like it. And I thought, well, I'm going to try it. It's a 3-part system. And it has the number 1, which I marked number 1. It has a thick base gel, okay, and that's what you use first. And I marked them because some of the spelling that they used, I was kind of confused when it said reinforced. This is a second one. It's reinforced gel. That would be the second one that you would use. And then the last one is the top coat. And I marked that number 3, and it's a very thick top coat. And I actually liked how this product turned out, you know, how it worked out for me. It's really nice. The bottles are really pretty and they're very large. They give you 14 ml. And I didn't think that the product had any offensive odor or anything like that. So, but yeah, I just had some confusion on the writing. I believe it was in Chinese, and then, you know, they try to spell our English language and they get a little mixed up. But anyways, I figured it out, and that's why I numbered them 1, 2, and 3. Before we start, you're going to want to prep your nails, your natural nails, and that's just basically buffing them and removing any cuticle and cleaning them with isopropyl alcohol. Use a dehydrator. The dehydrator that I use is Bond Aid by OPI, and then you can also use a primer if you want. It's not necessary that you use a primer, but I do use this one from OPI. It's Bond X. It's actually for acrylic nails, but I use it for gel nails. And this is what you can use. You can just use a gel bonder instead of a primer. This is an air drying gel bonder that I've been trying out. It's from IBD, and it's kind of tacky when it dries, and it kind of acts like a glue so that the gel would adhere to your nails better. So you can skip the primer and just use this. Just let it air dry for about 1 minute. Here's the base coat, and it is really rubbery and stretchy. And now I remember what I was looking for. I was looking for a good rubber base gel because I see a lot of Russian techs using it, and I wanted to try it. Now it's time to apply the base gel, and I start out, and at the cuticle area I give it a little scrub, you know, into the natural nail plate, and then I just apply it all over. And then after that I apply just a little bit more, just to fill in any little divots or imperfections that are on the natural nail plate. And then I will cure it for 1 minute. And now it's time to apply the reinforced gel. And not to confuse anyone, I believe that the reinforced gel is basically the builder gel, what you use to build structure with. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm going to build a slight structure. Not too much, because these are my natural nails, and you know, I just want them to look natural and plain. So I'm just checking out my apex there, and I don't really want to build my apex too high. Just a little bit down the middle, and I think that'll do it. And then I will cure this for 1 minute. Now it's time to apply the top coat, and this top coat is a no wipe top coat, and it is very thick. And when I first started to apply it, I was like, wow, this stuff is thick. And I was thinking, maybe it's not a top coat, but it is. It dries without a tacky layer. So I just put it on as thin as I could get it, I mean, not overly thin, but And then once I get this on, I will cure that for 1 minute and the overlay will be complete. You don't have to use this brand. You can use any brand of builder gel that you have, as long as you have a base and a top coat. Then you can do a gel overlay. And if you want it to be a soak off, you'll have to make sure it's a soak off gel. Now, Madam Glam has their builder gel that's soak off, their base and their top coat. Gelish has some. A lot of companies have soak off gels that are in bottles that you can use for overlays. And this is what the nails look like. I'm really happy with them. Ignore that pointer finger there because I was just testing out some poly gel when I put that nail on. I really like this product and I like wearing my nails natural a lot of times. They do grow underneath your enhancements. Just be careful when you remove your enhancements and your nails will look nice, and you can just cover them with soak off gel. Of course, I didn't soak these off. I used my e-file and filed them off. I was really careful. But anyways, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.